Chugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
As far as SSA teachers issue is concerned, that is number one, 5 months pending salary. That is for the financial year 2021-22 for the month of February and March, and for the current financial year 22-23 for the month of April, May and June. Number two, enhancement of all the SSA teachers teaching in lower primary and upper primary under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan in the state of Meghalaya. Number three, to keep more budget provision in the state budget for Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. And number four, shifting of all the existing SSA teachers from State Implementation Society to State Education Department on regular basis as per provision of SSA RTE norms. As we have unanimously taken a decision in our last General Executive Committee, which was held on 25th June 2022, that is, if the state government fail to fulfill the mentioned demands on or before 15th of July 2022, then after 15th July 2022, the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body representing the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya will launch a peaceful protest as a mark of protest against the adamant attitude of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance to the demand or request made by the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. I am here to inform all our SSA colleagues that if the state government fail to fulfill the demands made by the SSA teachers on or before 15th of July 2022, then on 18th July 2022, we have decided to launch an indefinite dharna at additional Secretariat parking lot Shillong.